The wireless solar backup camera is a convenient and eco-friendly option thanks to its solar-powered and rechargeable battery, offering long-lasting use even in varying weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with its super magnetic base, allowing you to easily mount it on any surface without the need for tools or complex wiring. The camera provides strong and stable signals with its 2.4 gigahertz transmission, ensuring minimal interference and a reliable connection over long distances. Equipped with clear night vision and a wide-angle view, this backup camera enhances safety by offering excellent visibility during low-light conditions. Featuring a 5-inch 1080p high-definition display, the camera delivers sharp and vibrant images, with the option to add a second camera for reducing blind spots. This versatile reverse camera is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, providing a customizable visual experience with adjustable brightness, contrast, and saturation.